Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AKER. We'll take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like a few days worth of time, but it's actually just the past couple broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like you this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and just makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I did this analysis yesterday, so that's where these green and red line annotations are coming from. And today, another solid move. Sure, the price didn't explode upwards or anything like that, but the price is making progress, and really at the end of the day, that's really all you can ask for, and that's really all you want to see the price do, because as long as prices are making progress and building higher lows, everything else falls into place and takes care of itself. And that's what brings about our first update here, which is basically a building of another new higher low and showing progress. And this comes from a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So for those of you that did watch yesterday's video, hopefully you remember me talking about 60 cents as that level of resistance. But now that the price is up above it, this would be considered that ideal level of support going forward. I mean, if you say, hey, Clay, what make this chart look the absolute strongest? Definitely staying above 60 cents. 60 cents would be a great sign of power on the bull's part. So 60 cents, that near-term level of support. Overall, yeah, you have that level down at 52, but I mean, nobody would want to see the price go all the way down to 52. So let's see if 60 cents can hold going forward. Now, what about areas of resistance? Really two key levels, and there's not much separation between the two of them. The first level is that red line that I talked about yesterday. That's right up there at 65 cents. And now that another day has passed, this moving average has moved even closer. So that is the 50-period simple moving average. And as hopefully I got my point across, that this line is going to move downwards as time unfolds. So this level, as tomorrow goes by, will get closer and closer to then being valued also at 65 cents. So the main thing that I'm trying to get across is I can see 65 cents tomorrow becoming a very key level of resistance. I'm not saying the price can't break through it or anything like that. I'm just saying that going into tomorrow, it's looking like 65 cents. If the bulls are going to be able to break above it and stay above it, they really are going to need to bring their A game. All in all, though, no doubt about it, always good when red lines are being converted to green, and that's what happened with that 60 cent level today. So let's see if the bulls can break out of the 65 cent level and close out the week strong. So only time will tell, but yeah, one more day left this week. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.